You. There you go. Coming at you, bitch ass. You want to know. Oh my God. They know you though. They pointing. The green thing is pointing. It's like, there you go. There you go. They point at you. Like, there you go. That's him. We got it. On the spotlight. They got you. They got you covered. They got you lost. You think, you know this way. Send your big ass head up there. I ain't see you. I ain't see the whole thing. I ain't see you. Ain't no way in your way. Doesn't that make like a tree? You know where it comes from. If you're gonna be seen, you don't see it. Because, I have to see it. Yes. You're cold, yeah. I see you standing in front of the camera. That's really stupid. You, man. You, right now. He thought you know, just because I said it directly in front of the camera. But it don't work. Sucker. It just don't. I got you. Who's the name of? Well, this show looks like Trey's lazy ass. Right now. There you go. You sleep? What you doing? Way up. Everybody finna come on. Get your ass out there, call someone and sit up. Oh, who dog is that? Where your dog from? I think I still straight up and shit. What? Somebody eating. If you do what? Really? I understand. And even then, and even what do you? Do what? What am I doing? What do you mean? Where you at? The one? Where you at? How you do that? Whoa. What the bitch is that? Oh, that's a bad something down there. Yeah, where you at? I can see you. What's up? What's up, beautiful? Where you been? You been in hell? How'd you get to hell? Oh, you kidding? Said, on accident, though. That was an accident. It still was suicide? Oh, my Lord. Wow. Let me step back a little bit more. I just want to get a good picture of you. Oh my God. I've been here. Look at the key. This is something else. Had that black mirror on there. I didn't have to see you. I didn't ever want to see you. Let's move get closer. See who we got back there. What you got back there? Don't jump out too fast. Just ease on it. Ease on it. Come on out there. Come on. Come on. All right, baby, got to call you out in the name of Jesus. I'll bring you out of there. Come on, ease on out of there. Ease on out of the darkness so I can see you in the light. Come on. Come on, let there be light in the name of Jesus. More light in the name of Jesus. There you go. Hello. Don't take it. Now I'm finna spread you all over Mexico. I don't take any advice from any demonology, everything. Dead. I don't do it. Let's say this on camera. Yeah. I'll step back, get a good look at everything, right? Nice house in there. Overdose. Oh, wow. You got that drink right there. Look at that. Is it $800? Huh? Who's that behind me? Don't stop behind me, nigga. Don't stop behind me. Who the fuck you is? Playboy, gay boy, who is that? Huh? Walk up behind me. Nice house. Yeah. So look away. You go back. You better not see. That's the bed is clean. Come on, let me see what that is. Hey, what? Who is that? Who? I can't hear you. Where you gotta go? Where you gotta go? What is that up in front of me, dude? Girl, get your shit right. Who is this? All these shadow people. Look at that background here. This is what I be showing on my post. Just so y'all know. I mean, educate these boys on y'all. Look at all y'all. Damn. Get a good picture, everybody. Let me step back on more. Yeah, man. I'm not good at you. I mean, hold it over. Look, what is that? I don't even know what that is. She coming from that little witchcraft freak going now. That black mirror killer. You see what you want. Well, what are you showing me? Hey, man.